Hi guys, what are we gonna do today? Today I'm gonna show you how to take this very fluffy roving and we are going to felt it, and it makes it stronger and it's more like a cording now that you can use. Let's get started. So you don't have to do this much at a time. I'm just gonna do this 5-yard piece and it actually goes fairly quickly. And this is a bowl of hot soapy water. And I'm just going to take some of it and put it in here. Kind of squeeze it out a little bit. I have this towel on my leg so I don't get completely drenched. And what you're gonna do is just roll. Roll it, and if you want your cord thicker, you would just maybe double the roving or triple the roving or however much you would like felted together. Get the next section of it, squeeze it out, start rolling again. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just going to let this dry. So now it's not loose and fluffy, and when it dries, you can see this was the same, and it gets a little fluffier and thicker again when it dries, but it's a lot stronger to use, whether you want to crochet with it, use it for ornaments or tags or tying. So whatever you guys do, I hope you try this out and have fun.